Hello everyone, in this video we're going to talk about various topping. Various topping what? Some random topic that will come in my mind during this whole 15 minute. I just haven't decided to what I'm going to search and what I'm going to learn and what I'm going to speak it about. What whatever whatever the mind will come in, whatever thing come in my mind. I'm going to search about on ChatGPT prompt and see what thing can be learn through that. I'm going to explain to you also through the process, whatever thing can I understand. If that explaining didn't influence you that much, then bro, I can't I can't do anything for that. Well, let's now let's I'm going to explain you how the two two table. I'm going to explain you how the two table work. Two table of two. One to the two to the four. All those who haven't know how to work, how the two table is represented in the term of how to explain. I'm going to explain this to you. This is the first topic I'm going to discuss. It. You seem to be like it is easy. What? It's very difficult to explain to other people. Like, is there any 5 to 6 year old child sitting in front of you, and you want to explain it through in English language itself? How can you going to explain it? That's what we are going to do here. That's what we're going to do here. I'm going to explain you how the two table work. So. First more we have to decide what is the minimum and what's the maximum limit of an input, of an range. Like first range we are going to start with 1. The maximum range going to be 10. More than that it can be used like first most of the case we use 10 digits in order to showcase of a particular number. Like if you are want to show that the number is 7, then we're going to start with 7 into 1, 7 into 2, 7 into 3, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 710. That's a 10 digit number. Okay, there's the first 10 digit number. Usually ask why in the exam or anything else. As if you are in studies, if you are studying LKG, UKG, they are going to ask you from 10 only. After that, in competitive exam like SSC or something other exam, they can ask for any multiplication of a particular number can be possible. But most of the case, usually people or some kind of people or exam ask till 10 only. So we are going to multiply by 2 in order to understand the table. How does it work? You need to know. You need to know what? You need to know the table. You need to know multiplication. How does the multiplication work? Sorry, as you can see here, 2 into 1. You should know how to multiply a particular number with another. 2 into 2. How does it work? 2 into 2. If we add out two numbers together, then it will be double of number that we are doing with. If we triple down that number, then it's a 3. Like if you want to make if you want to cut out a rope in a 3 equal part, that's also like same. What if you join it in a one form? That's a 6. If you join out these 3 rope in a one rope, that's a 6. But if you join or divide down then that rope in each piece, then each piece length, what's it going to be each piece length? And I think it's a 2 because we have divided it out into 3 is in a quantity that we have divided it. 2 is a length that we are discussing, and I think 6 is the total length of if we join them along with each 4, 5, 6. It basically is a part. If we show in the divide or proportion, that's basically how many part on a rope is given into you. The more you keep going, the length of the rope is going to be short down with each multiplication. 3, then there is a 4 part, then the 5th part, then the 6th part, then the 7th part, and 8th part, then 9th part. At the end of the chain, there is a 10 part of an rope. So we have discussed all the how the tuba table work. It's not easy to explain thing on internet, on in front of camera. We can know about the topic, but to explain that in front of a people, it's required a skill. Those who can able to do, they will make more money in the field of sales or anything else can be in the field of sales or in public speaking or anything else. Since that need to be improved. We just need to be what? Just need to be able to speak it our thought in a very precise way. That's the whole goal of doing so. That's the goal of doing so. I'm doing some kind of yoga. No, bro, I'm not doing any kind of yoga. Just thinking or something. I got to remind that. Oh, that is another topic. I have no kind of fear over watching this video. Don't fear any kind of thing, bro. Fear is the most stagnant thing in the middle class family. If you have a fear about thing and no, then you have to get it out here from it yourself. Nobody is going to help out to get it yourself. They can provide you environment or anything resource, but the one who are going to separate it from you itself, you are going to be you, no, bro. You now it's correct. So stand up for yourself. Stand for yourself. Stand for yourself. There are many bookmark in my table. As you can see, there is a first is ChatGPT. Second is Free Cloud, AWS, Jack Community Crystal, CSS Crystal. You can, as you know, as you don't know about it, like I do programming most of the time. After speaking English, there is a GitHub. Jonas is an instructor of Udemy. It's a React. It's a React documentation front transcript. I used to help me. It helped me out to translate those things into my own voice. It's a VPN of from bugs and all. Why isn't it working? React DOM is not working. React. It's not working. React DOM. Why it isn't working? I think they have moved it to .com. No, they are with React itself. React.com. What is not working? What is the problem? There is any kind of bug in it. Dev community. Hack to forward. Sharing code snippet on a server accessible way. Kuka 11. Bringing more sweetness to Ruby with forward. Search your AWS resource basically fast. What it want to say? It is annoying to find your resources in AWS. I don't know how to find a real and to find it. In fact, this is a global research for top corner of the AWS console, but it is not helpful. That's all. Let's explore AWS Resource Explorer. AWS. Let's search about AWS. Get ready, get live on AWS. Amazon EKS and Terraform. Get live on Open source news. Oh, bro, they are doing some quite work. Open that and 74 172. There is a installment collecting a percent contribution. Last percent product. Less community blog post. Post curricular Mari TV. Hmm. Some quite good resources. Filter 166. The test. Filter. Hmm. Going to read about it after some time. Not so much about of the thing out unless the power of power pop over API in web development. The evolution of Git, a dive into tech history, how to write a key generating TypeScript. Access MySQL document stored with Node.js application, introduction of flood strategy management, a roller coaster career path. How does an best portfolio project for data science using Redis for with Express.js TypeScript. Session caching, fast data distributed caching persistent. Prerequisite and install directory. Install Redis with Express.js. We're getting some kind of port here. Express.js get required. Okay, that's simple. Express server. Caching reading is install error Redis. Yeah. Update.fts include racing caching. Redis new Redis quest apt-get. Now we are using I think Redis. Yeah. This data Redis watch. Adding middleware to check if data is present in cache or not. Data. Just test import just create a test file of the expression. Update the packages include just script. We are using API. Is we are using a API call here? No, bro. No, bro. Yeah, some kind of local data. API test and required parameter. Configuration. Okay, that's simple basic example. Caching strategies of high performance Java application with Redis. Building empathy in cache. How to craft user centered application. How to learn about new dev event. But yeah, that's a good thing. Dev event dot confirms dot tag. Configure tag. Innovation online. Find your next tech conference. Design DevOps. Linux Security Summit Europe. Always are the sum of the dev.event, developer.event. Application monitoring with open telemetry. I think 15 minutes has completed in this video. No, 14 minutes has passed out in this video. Okay, we have not covered about something particular topic. We have covered various topic like we had told about what is it, how to express your thought. Use in Java what is sugar table. 706 saving plan things to know. I want to know I'm using AWS quite a bit of now. Compute saving plans for computing long term. All these instances type available between two compute saving plans for get saving or this kind of thing. AWS Lambda request doesn't give you any saving or owner Java. Best practice for running container WordPress on AWS is full test. A vertical is a community will dummy the team. How to create a simple static HTML website with Terraform. Essential. A data cloud cheese. Develop Lambda game with canary deployment. Replace your data lab. That's it for the video. We'll see you next time. Keep hustling till then.